For this demonstration, what I'm going to be doing is recording temperatures here with a Raspberry Pi Model B connected to a breadboard here with the Pi cobbler and using a temperature sensor. What's going to happen is it's going to read the temperatures, and then those temperatures are going to be logged to a file. You'll also see there's other possibilities that we can do with Node-RED. In addition to logging them, those temperatures will be posted to a queue. Then the other Raspberry Pi, which is the one here, the Model B Plus, has a PiGlow board which has a whole system of LED lights there, and we're going to change the color of the lights based on the temperature range. But from this direction, this branch of our flow, we can see here that we can record the temperature, which is logging it and getting the temperature degrees Fahrenheit and setting just the temperature into the message, and then the message is written to the Eclipse IoT queue. So remember, these are two different machines you're seeing up here. I've got Node-RED running on both. So once that temperature is written, now we can switch over, this can pull it off, and we can set the color. So for demonstration purposes here, what I'm going to attempt to do is, if we go and look at the log, we're in the green range right now, so the color's been set to green. But if I touch the sensor, it's supposed to be fairly sensitive, and it will heat up here pretty quick, and we should see it jump to red. And there we go. So it's jumped to red. And now what I'm going to try to do is to cool it down a little bit faster. So I've got a little fan here. So turn the fan on, and I've got a much colder. We see there it's dropped now to green. And we'll see if we can get it to go to blue, which, you know, we could use any range we wanted to of temperatures to do this. Now if I switch over to the other log, you'll see now we're getting the raw temperatures spit out. So the temperature now, it's down to 77. It was at 78.465 here just a second ago. So we are dropping. I'm not sure if we're going to get down cold enough or not to set it. 76. So we're still going down. So again, this setup is the Raspberry Pis aren't talking to each other, they're talking to that queue. So using the MQTT protocol, we're able to talk to one another and pass the data back and forth.